Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do, I just wanted to do something kind of fun. Just go over a drawing or a couple of drawings that I've done here that are concept drawings and address the topic of what is drawing quick character concepts all about, and so maybe some shortcuts and so forth. And instead of just talking over the drawing, I usually do the drawing in time lapse. This one I did it real time and then kind of sped it up, but feel free to scrub the video and go faster if you want to jump to a certain part. But let me just preface the video by saying this, is that when I do characters, character concepts, initially I'll do thumbnails and so forth, and I'm just going to kind of jump past that right now and just kind of get to some larger images or sketches. And what I like to do is I call these exploratory concepts, which is I guess kind of what concepts are anyway. But if there's, in this case we're doing suits of armor, and I didn't want to, I don't want to spend the time of making everything symmetrical on these characters. And so initially when I get going, I'll do several characters and I'll make them asymmetrical, and I'll put different pieces on the right arm or the left arm, sometimes the right leg, the left leg. If I like what I'm seeing, then I'll sometimes mirror it on the other side. And that's something that I recommend, is when you are doing your concept drawings, kind of do a left to right approach where you're kind of developing left side, right side, since generally figures tend to be symmetrical. But I just want you to kind of pay attention, is doing quick character concepts is about just kind of finding forms and different things that you like. And then as you move down that funnel to developing your final ideas, you can kind of steal from those other concepts and put them together. And so that's the process that I'm going to do right here. Just a quick note is, again, this is a pretty quick video. I think it's like 7 minutes or something like that. And what I want to do is I usually will start out with a 20% marker, go to a 40%, 60% if you've seen my other video on doing quick sketches with markers, or I'll use a 30, 50, 70, but I didn't have a 30 or a 20 around here, so if you can see on there, I'm using a 40%, which is kind of dark for the initial kind of block in of these shapes. So I usually don't work that kind of muddy, but in this case it's just exploratory, having fun, so let's get into it.